Hello friends, today I want to show you how to fix waiting for connection Instagram story problem. So you notice that I have uploaded an Instagram story but still I see waiting for connection problem. So if you want to fix this problem, so I want to show you step by steps to successfully fix this problem. First thing, you have to simply close the Instagram. Then you have to simply open up your Wi-Fi connection instead of your data. Here you have to simply connect your smartphone with the Wi-Fi. You can also try the new network, but I want to just connect with my Wi-Fi. Now here I want to first clear the cache memory. So I want to go to the app settings. So here on app settings, I want to just search here Instagram, and I want to just clear the cache memory. So go to the storage. Here you can simply clear the cache memory, and once you do this, now you have to simply open up the Instagram. And now when you tap on your Instagram story, so here you notice that my story is successfully live. So with the help of this process, you can easily fix Instagram waiting for connection Instagram story problem. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find this video helpful for you, then please like, comment and share this video. Thank you so much for watching.